In recent weeks, I have visited hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of websites of advertising agencies in the United States, Puerto Rico, and Guam. I have a voiceover business. For those of you who do not know what a voiceover is, it's where I am the voice you hear on the radio or TV for a commercial, narration, animation, or presentation. The surprising part of visiting all of these advertising agency websites is that despite being in the advertising business, many are terrible at communicating what it is exactly that their agency does for their customer. Many have esoteric messages which they think conveys what they do, when in fact all they do is confuse and frustrate the visitor. On some of the sites, after reading their dreamy, confusing copy, I still couldn't figure out whether or not they could possibly use my services. They go on and on using the jargon of the trade, and to some extent, overuse every clip. When they tell you that their customers are important, and that they'll work with you, I have to wonder if there are any businesses that wouldn't make those claims. The real confusion comes when the website is bombarding the viewer with moving images and text to supposedly show you that they're hip and know how to attract attention. Which leads me into too much babbling, not enough message. The marketing landscape has taken on a new dimension, and that dimension is social media. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, just to name a few, have people on the planet clinging to their phones in fear of missing a tweet or an update from their favorite blog. No matter what people are doing, how they are traveling, or where they are, they want to stay connected, but they don't want to be reading War and Peace lengthy messages. So just like the poorly produced websites of some of the country's advertising agencies, too many e-business marketers are babbling on and on about their company and their services without getting to the point, let alone asking for the order. What's an e-business marketer to do? To start with, keep in mind that people will react or act upon a visual much quicker than written text, because we are wired to process a visual image hundreds of times faster than the written word. Visual communication is more easily understood. Which do you see first? The red octagon sign or the letters STOP? As to being bombarded by the websites of the so-called masters of communication, the advertising agencies, you will lose your effectiveness if you bombard your target market with too much information at once. Keep your messages what I like to call bite size. Quick impression, visual, written, or both, and only addressing one facet of your business. Don't try to tell your whole story in a single blog, tweet, email, or text. Give them a bite-sized taste of one of your benefits or company's unique qualities. Think along the lines of the free sample piece of fruit at your local farmer's market to entice you to buy a bunch, bag, or basket. Too much information in one shot will scare consumers away. It's the old adage. A confused mind says no. Be precise in your message, but be subtle and effective. The shock campaigns of years past really don't shock anymore. Look at cable TV and you'll see that words that would never be spoken just 25 years ago, because of being taboo, are now in your ears on a daily basis. Hence, the shock has dissipated. Bite-size marketing campaigns allow you to test a market, evaluate the effectiveness of your efforts, and more importantly perhaps, save you from throwing all your money and energy into a marketing idea that would probably fall flat. Every word in a marketing campaign counts, and each word has to pull its weight, or it should be eliminated. Rewrites are part of marketing, not writing on the fly and crossing your fingers that everything will work out okay. You want to introduce yourself so they know you exist. Get them to like you by being frank with them and not exaggerating your claims. Hopefully that like will turn to love of your business, product, or service, and a long-lasting relationship will follow. So stop babbling and send them a clear, concise, and bite-sized message that your target market will understand, pique their interest, and result in action.